If your 7.3 OBS or Super Dude is missing, intermittently, or dying, or it just won't start, here's something you should check. Come up here and look at the IPR wiring harness. Mine's been replaced because it done burned off down there. But look at this. Anyway, my main engine wiring harness is messed up currently somewhere in there. I'm just going to probably replace it. But that's something to look out for. Check that. Usually that pigtail will burn off. And then, like I said, mine's burned somewhere in there. Always check that. It's the first thing I check if you got a crank no start on a 7.3. Because it's pretty common.